So today in this video we shall factorize x square minus 19xy plus 78y square. So first we shall factorize the number 78. So it is 2 times 39 means 78 and 3 times 13 means 39. So the numbers we got is 2, 3 and 13. Among them, by multiplying among them, we need 19. So 2 times 3 means 6 and this 13. So 6 plus 13 means 19. Here is minus 19. So minus 6 and minus 13. So it becomes x square minus 6xy minus 13xy plus 78y square. So minus 6xy minus 13xy means minus 19xy. So now we find out commons in these both first expression and these both last expression. So both has common x. So remainder in first x and at last minus 6y. In the same way, the common in both is minus 13y. So remainder here x, here is 13 times 6 means 78 and y. So now we again find out commons in first and last expression. So both contain x minus 6y. So x minus 6y is common and the remainder is in the first x, in the last minus 13y. So x minus 6y, x minus 13y are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.